I think it's something which is completely new, which is really exciting. A play that's rehearsed via Zoom, performed via Zoom, and actually, the reality of the play is that it is a Zoom call, and I think that's really exciting. I think thematically, the play, as I've said, is really important. Living in a world where we are all experiencing trauma, and the play being about connection and about how we support each other through those moments of pain, I think is really important right now. But also, it's a very honest account of how people deal with pain and trauma. And I think that's really important, that we are not saying that, that everything is going to be kind of rosy and cheery, and that there are going to be hard times. And the important thing within those hard times is connecting to each other. And empathy, and I think the play very much deals with that. And then also, I think another reason to log on is also just to see the great work that the actors have done, and the rest of the team. Within the space of a week, where we've all been spread about not just throughout Wales. We've got people in England, people in Belfast, all kind of working together to make a play. Has been a challenge, but I think it's something quite unique. So yeah, I think that's one of the other reasons to watch. Yeah.